Just wanted to show you guys, this is a rare sight. So 55,000 mile E320 CDI and 58,000 mile 95 E300 diesel. That's the special edition. Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 in this video series for the 2006 E320 CDI. And today I'm over at my office. I have a couple of storage bays here, and I'm going to load up the E320 on the trailer and take it over to Kelly and Stan's. And I'm going to have them change every fluid, every filter, inspect the brakes, inspect the suspension. But so Kelly and Stan's, let me explain the history of the independent repair shops here in the Atlanta area. In the beginning, it was Lauk Motors, and they're just right down the street next to my shop here. So Lauk Motors is where all the guys work. And then, let me turn on the lights in here. And then Kelly and Stan actually left Lauk Motors and started their own repair shop. Now Stan was my mentor, but Stan has retired. So Kelly and Stan, they're not working on the old Mercedes anymore. Now, but they're still working on the newer models like the E320 CDI. And here she is right here. Now, the other guys at Lauk Motors, they had all come from RBM Mercedes of Atlanta. They'd all come from the dealership. Those guys, when Lauk Motors recently closed, those guys all went to Freeman Automotive. And John Freeman owns that shop. And Freeman Automotive, that's if I need to take one of the old, 300Ds or 300SDs, those are the guys that are still working on those cars. So I'll occasionally offload one of my cars over to their shop. So anyway, let's load this car up. Let's head over to Kelly and Stan's. We'll talk to Kelly, and I'm just going to give them basically an open credit card. Say, do whatever you need to this car, because I trust Kelly. I've been working with him for years. And I'm going to have them completely go through the CDI, which, guys, they're not really going to find anything. I just want them to do all the fluids and filters. So let's load this up and take it over there and meet Kelly. Just wanted to show you guys, this is a rare sight. So 55,000 mile E320 CDI and 58,000 mile 95 E300 diesel. That's the special edition. That is a very, very rare car with 58,000 miles on it. Literally, that's the first one I've ever seen with that kind of mileage. Anyway, let's get it loaded onto the trailer. Here we are over at Kelly's place. Kelly, when was the last time you saw one of these with 55,000 miles on it?
It's been a long time. Most people drop the wheels off these cars.
I picked it up, and they've had, full service at the Mercedes dealership. I just want to do, fluids, filters, fuel filter, transmission filter, air filter, diff service, brake fluid, all the fluids and filters.
Yeah, we'll go through it and see what it needs.
And then check the brakes and bushings, whatever you want to do to it.
Awesome.
Guys, I'm going to leave this with Kelly, and we'll be back next week to check it out. Hey guys, I just stopped in over here at Kelly and Stan's, and we're going to do a quick undercarriage inspection of this E320 CDI. So let's go ahead and dive in. We'll go ahead and start up here at the front. All right, first thing I can look at here, ball joints, excellent condition. Tie rods are tight, steering linkage is tight. We can see we have the two belly pans off right there. Yeah, check this out. Still has the zinc plating on the steering rack lines. Wow, look at the condition of this hose. Just a little bit of dirt up there, that's all. Man, this is extremely clean. All the boots, excellent. Oh wow, look at the brakes. Brakes haven't even rusted at all. That might be aluminum. Wow, look how clean this oil pan is, you guys. There is not a drop of oil anywhere. God, it looks brand new up in here. Well, 55,000 miles, I mean, that's what you would expect. Now look at that, still has the factory markings where they torqued on the linkages for the steering. Wow, look how clean that is. Zinc plating is still on the starter up here. The engine mounts, yeah, fantastic condition. Look how clean the transmission is. Look at the transmission line here. This looks factory new under here. It's remarkable. Transmission pan, not a drop of oil anywhere. Guys, this I can say that this is the nicest E320 E320 CDI I've ever inspected. Look at that. Look at the flex disc right here. This is mint condition stuff under here. Oh wow, it even still has that protective like mesh cover on the exhaust. I don't know why they put this on here. If somebody knows why that's on there from the factory, please post in the comments. That's remarkable. Look, the exhaust doesn't even have any rust on it. Absolutely incredible. Now these belly pans are still on here on the sides. I guess these would be like the side skirt pans, but we're just looking at all the important stuff. So back on the back of these cars, you know, there was, I think, there were 5 arms back here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have your sway bar. Look at the bushings in here. Excellent condition. Oh, there we go, 5. Yeah, these sway bar bushings. All of this is just absolutely fantastic. The body mounts up here. This is a remarkable condition, original car. Normally, at least these like brackets back here, you see rust on these brackets, and I don't even see any of that. Just absolutely incredible condition. I'll take you guys back up under here to the front again. Pretty remarkable. Yeah, look up in there, just incredible. Yeah, the alternator is not even dirty under here. Wow, just an amazing vehicle. Guys, it's really difficult to find the E320 CDI that looks like that. It's one of the best condition ones I've ever seen in my life. So anyway, we'll talk to Kelly after he does the service on it and does all the fluids and filters, see if he finds anything incredibly nice on the undercarriage. So we'll see in a second when we come back and talk to Kelly when they're done with the service. Okay guys, it's 2 days later and Kelly just called me, said they're done with the E320 CDI. Let's go in here and see what he has to say about it. All right, Kelly, here's the bill. So first, when was the last time you saw an E320? Well, let me back up. What was your opinion on this vehicle?
So I was surprised that it had absolutely no corrosion on it on a car that came from Ohio and it's been there its whole life.
There wasn't a spec on it, was there?
Not a spec. And the car's just in pristine condition. And you may have over-serviced it because a lot of that stuff had already been changed within the last year or two, and we've changed it again because you wanted to give a good product to your customer.
So I didn't even need to do some of those fluid changes.
Exactly.
But I just wanted a
great job for a customer.
Yeah, I just want a fresh start. For when they get it, it's fresh from today. So this is what we got going on here. Okay, okay, you said you found brake pads needed replacing.
Right.
Front and rear.
Correct. And we had the rotors on the front.
Okay, and the rear rotors were good?
Yep, and that's all original equipment stuff. It's not aftermarket, it's not Chinese, it's good, high quality.
Nice. All right, so rotors, pads, let's see, that's what, hydraulic brake system, fluid flush, power steering, fluid flush. Is there a filter on these?
There's no, it's built
Okay.
into the reservoir.
Okay. Service transmission. That was the big one. I don't know. People just don't do that a whole lot, you know. Drain and replace fluid, and the torque converter. Cool. I didn't know you could drain the torque converter on
That's
these.
the Mercedes filter on there also.
Awesome. Remove and reinstall transmission. Replace transmission mount.
Yep.
Good. All right. How are the engine mounts?
Engine mounts are fine.
Okay. Oil and filter service. Yep. Cabin air filter. But you said the air filter.
Yeah, it had just been changed recently. It looks real good.
Sweet. So we didn't need to do that. Flush the engine coolant with the correct blue stuff. Service the differential and replace the fuel filters. There we go, guys. I just spent $1,800 on this vehicle. You heard it from Kelly. This thing is done. It's ready to go. There's nothing else we need to do on this vehicle. So I'm going to get it back to the shop. And I guess next you will see the walk around and test drive video. See ya.